of Manila Bulletin. I will once again be asking their questions.
Okay.
So they ask, you recently guested in Gary Vallechano's One Last Time concert.
Yes.
What were your key takeaways from this concert that you plan to apply in your own concert?
Again, technology was something that was a huge part of Tito Gary's celebration po talaga for One Last Time. He had the technology that Taylor Swift was using and Beyonce was using in the recent tours, yung nakakabit sa kanila yung sensors. So yung mga ilaw, kahit saan sila pumunta sa stage, nakasunod sa kanila. And then with his stage, the LED flooring, may sensors din yun. So sinusundan siya ng graphics. It was never the same in each show. It was always a new trail, hindi siya pre-programmed. So that was something that was like, oh my gosh, grabe na dala natin to sa Pilipinas. And I was just in awe with Tito Gary's whole production po talaga yun. Parang nakaka-inspire. So, in terms of applying it to my concert, yun nga, may new technology din kami dinala from other countries to the Philippines. It's very minimal, but it has a huge impact in terms of visuals sa stage ng concert. And then also, from Tito Gary's show, he's just an inspiration to so many, and that's what I also want to be to other people, like the younger generation as well. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko dati, nakita kong quote bago ako mag-enter sa showbiz was, aspire to inspire before you expire. So, ayun, parang that's also something that stuck with me before sumali pa ako sa The Voice Kids. Yung parang maging inspirasyon ka sa mga tao. So that's also something that I want to apply in my concert. From Tito Gary's concert. Ano pa ba? Yun. Yun po talaga. Kasi parang, especially sa younger generation ngayon, younger generation din ng artists, parang ang daming may gusto na mabilis ang nakukuha agad. And that's just not how life works. Parang kapag minadali mo, lalo siyang hindi mag-work eh. So, ayun. Yun lang. Share ko lang.
That's so true. Slow and steady wins the race. Oh, di ba may pa-quotes din ako?
Yes. Inspirational quotes.
Yes, dami nating inspirational quotes here today. But our next questions are coming from Carlos of Mega Kapamilya. Is Carlos here? Hello, Carlos.
Hello.
I mean, you can have my mic though.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Carlos.
Question ko lang kasi sa recent video ni Maris, hindi siya makakapunta. And sino na yung Can't Buy Me Love cast na pupunta sa concert mo na nag-confirm?
Well, I've invited everyone naman. At lahat sila excited. Pero nagulat ako kasi si Jersey, bumili talaga siya ng platinum na ticket. As in, on the spot, binigyan niya, nag-abot siya ng 8,000 na in cash. And I was like, you don't have to. You know, you can get a seat if you want. Pero gusto niya talagang sumuporta sa concert. So maraming salamat kay Chi for buying a ticket. Grabe yung support nilang lahat. Actually, the whole cast. Yung mga unang talagang nag-extend ng congrats nila, sila Direk Roel, sila Reza Agot. And nakakataba ng puso kasi I didn't expect, you know, our bond to reach this far, like outside of the show, which is something I'm also grateful for. Kasi nagkaroon talaga kami ng parang totoong pamilya po within Can't Buy Me Love, which is something nice. So, ayun, I will see Chi Filomeno dun sa binili niyang platinum seat sa June 1. Maraming salamat, Chi.
And my last question, anong feeling ng mga kasama mo sa concert, yung coach mo before, which is si Sarah?
Yeah, of course. Masaya ako kasi finally mangyayari na po yung collaboration namin sa concert ko pa kasi siya talaga yung nagsabi, i-guess mo naman ako. Parang, Ate Sarah, tanong pa po ba yun? Nakakahiya naman siyempre na i-guess Sarah yung role ko. But of course, ilang beses na niyang sinabi. So this time, nagkatotoo na, our schedules have finally met. Before po, she also asked me to guest in Perfect 10, tsaka tong huli niya yung SG20. So, hindi rin nagtugma yung schedules namin. So, ayun po, hindi siya nangyari. But finally now, after 10 years in my career, mangyayari na po yung Darren X Sara collaboration sa aking 10th anniversary concert. So maraming salamat, Ate Sara. I love you so much. Ayun, I'm excited. Sobrang exciting yung prod namin. Yun po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Carlos. O, di ba may mic na kami?
May sarili ng mic si DJ Sam.
Oh, but our next question is coming from Chris O. Ramos Jr. of OneMusic.ph, but I will also be asking the question. So Chris asks, how would you compare your passion for acting with your passion for music?
Well, they're very different in terms of, you know, the creativity behind it all. Sobra silang magkaiba also in terms of yung environment. Kasi syempre, as a singer, when I do events, 2 hours, 3 hours max, alis na ako sa lugar. Dito, buong araw minsan, andun lang kami sa set, naghihintay for our takes. So, magkaiba yung discipline sa pagiging performer at sa pagiging actor. Yung parang, ano talaga magkaiba rin yung level of patience and determination also. And it's really a different craft. Like, they say to sing with emotions, parang uma-acting ka na rin when you sing. But when you're on the set and you're asked to portray a different character, all these different emotions, bigla ka na lang mapapatanong yung parang, saan ko to huhugutin? Like, what else should I learn to be able to portray my character effectively in the scene? So, it's different in those terms of, ano ba? It's different in those terms, in those different aspects. Pero yun po, parang, syempre, yung first love ko talaga will always be music. So, ayun.
We can't wait to see more of both from you in the future.
Sana po.
But our next questions are coming from Trisha Delphin of Metro Scene Mag. Hi Trisha, are you here? There.
Hi, Trisha.
Hello? Hi Darren,
Yeah.
congrats
Thank
sa iyong
you.
upcoming concert. So, my question is, nabanggit mo na this concert will be a little bit different and it really makes us excited. And it's like you and your team are trying to explore things. Pwede ka bang magbigay ng masilip by describing your upcoming concert in 3 words?
3 words. New, and also more mature is not, nakain na ng more mature yung 3 words. So mature siguro. Also, what else? I'd say it's pretty exciting. So like explosive in terms of the prod numbers and the guest lineup, the stage, everything behind it. Opo. Yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Trisha, and thank you to our media friends for all of your questions.
Yeah.
Actually, all the time that we have for our questions, and of course, thank you, Darren, for being so generous with your answers.
Thank you so much as well. Maraming salamat po to the media for all your questions that you submitted, and for VJ Sam, kasi ikaw na nagtanong ng iba.
You're welcome.
Yes. Ayun na naman yung drone natin.
Oh no. I invited ka naman, okay lang. But since we are so grateful that